Be ready to get all the informations about mountain biking. You can't really have a book about mountain biking unless you have an actual mountain bike with which to ride. So what better way to start this book than to talk about how to choose one? Believe it or not, choosing the best mountain bike for you is one of the hardest steps in this book. There are all sorts of things to consider. Where do I buy from? What size do I need? How many gears do I need? Does name brand matter? What's a good price? Hopefully your questions will be answered through this product. If you'll follow the book carefully, you will discover a wide variety of training methods you can use to prepare for your bike rides and to do while you're on your bike. Biking is one of the most physically taxing hobbies you can get into, and if you do it regularly, it can be a great part of a healthy diet and exercise program. Now that you have all the information you need and the resources to find great trails, all that's left for you to do is go out and ride. Have fun, be safe and never stop. Thank you for watching.